welcome to Fervent Prayer Center. This is Pastor Funega. Today, I would like to welcome you. If you are new in this channel, please ensure that you subscribe, you press that notification bell so that you get notified whenever we are uploading a new video. I'm just going to give you 5 things to avoid during your fasting. Let's get straight into it. Number 1, avoid spending too much time on social media or any other thing that will consume your time other than the things of God. Number 2, ensure that you don't eat too much a day before your fast. People have a tendency of eating too much just a day before they start or embark on their fasting. Number 3, avoid prayerless fasting. Fasting without prayer is just another hunger strike. So ensure that you spend your time praying, meditating upon the word of God, listening to gospel music. Number 4, ensure that you avoid too much busyness. Ungabi busy kakhulu, don't be too much busy on other things. Like avoid spring cleaning, avoid imisebenzi lezokukhathaza, and ensure that you allocate your time in prayer. Last one, make sure that you don't drink acid, drink water. I repeat, drink water, or at least a juicanyana. But acid, cold drinks, Coca-Cola, yonke lezi zinto lezi, it's a no. Hope this information will help you. Please ensure that you subscribe and you press the notification bell. We love you so much. God bless you.